Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about personal and possessive pronouns. Now what is important in this lesson is not the word personal, not the word possessive, but what is the most important thing in this lesson is pronoun. Now we have different types. We have personal pronouns and we also have possessive pronouns. But our main topic over here is going to be pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. P-R-O, pronoun. The meaning of pro is in place of. That means the word that you use instead of a noun is called a pronoun. In place of means उसके जगह पर. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Personal pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns that name people. Now, whenever you talk about the word personal, see in this word you have P-E-R-S-O-N. That means person. Person itself means people. And the next one is possessive pronouns are pronouns that stand for people or things who own something. Own something means that something will be theirs, who own something. Let me repeat that. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that stand for people or things who own something. Now to understand what is a pronoun, let me show you a video which most of you must have already watched and it will be in Gujarati. This is just for explanation purpose, just for your understanding.
પેલો પેલીના પ્રેમમાં છે જેની પેલાને ખબર જ નથી. પેલાને એટલે એના ફાધરને. પેલો એટલે દીકરો પણ આ પેલો એટલે તો ફાધર જ થાય ને. હા. તો હવે પેલાને ખબર નથી. હવે પેલો સૂઈ જાય છે ત્યારે પેલો ને પેલી મંદિરમાં જઈને પેલું કરે છે. હવે સાહેબ પેલું કરે છે ને ત્યારે પેલી સાલી જોઈ જાય છે. તે પેલી જબરી છે. પેલાને ફોન કરીને પેલું કહી દે ને પેલો કે અમારામાં પેલું થાય જ નહીં કારણ કે એને પેલીને પહેલેથી પેલું કરેલું જ છે. એટલે પેલા બસ હવે પતવા જ આવી છે. હવે પેલા બધા આવશે.
Now you must have already watched in the video that excessive or too much use of pronoun is also not good because the people can get confused. You are talking about which person, about which place, about whom are you talking. Now let us move on to the exercises to understand pronouns in a better way. Rewrite the second sentence. Now over here in the question itself it is asking you to rewrite the second sentence. It is not asking you to rewrite the first sentence. Now why they have asked about only the second sentence we will come to know from here. In each pair replace the noun or noun expressions with the correct pronouns. One has been done for you. The first one you already have the answer in the textbook. But let us discuss this as well. Okay, the first one is the thief stole the diamonds. Now read the full sentence. The thief stole the diamonds. The thief hid the diamonds carefully. Now you can see that some words are being repeated in the second sentence. Which words? The thief, repeated. Diamonds, repeated. So instead of repeating these words again and again, we can use something that is called a pronoun. So instead of thief, what will you put in the second sentence? The thief stole the diamonds. He hid. Now instead of writing the diamonds again, what will you write? Them. Now why do we write them? Because it has an S over here. That means this is a plural noun. Whenever you have a plural noun, you will use the word them. He hid them carefully. See, the sentence became so short and sweet. Instead of saying again and again, the thief hid the diamonds carefully, you can just say, he hid them carefully. That's it. Next one, the lady tried a coat. Now, over here, you will understand one thing, that you must also know genders very well. Whenever you see the word lady, it means female or feminine. The lady tried a coat. The lady liked the coat. Again, you must find out all the words that are being repeated. The lady, coat, coat. So instead of using this and this again and again, let us replace this with this. She liked it. Now, why it? Because coat is a non living thing. Now, in the same way, even a diamond is a non living thing, but because it is a plural noun, we have to write them. Now, for example, if this lady were to try more than one coat, it would have been coats. Then we would have put over here, she liked them. The next one is, Riaz planted a tree. Now you should know that Riya's name is used even for a boy and even for a girl, but mostly we use it for boys. So we will write he. He looked after it. Now we have put it over here instead of the tree. Whenever we have things that are not human beings, we will always put it. He looked after it. Next one, bridges are built by engineers. Now let us go back to the first one. Here we have plural diamonds. Here we have plural bridges. In place of diamonds, we used them. In the same way, we will use they for bridges. Bridges are also maintained by engineers. They are also maintained by them. Them means engineers. The next one is, the woman visited her daughter. Now, woman means female, daughter also means female. Now, the second sentence says, the woman. So, instead of again saying the woman, you will say she. She had not seen her. Now, instead of again saying her daughter, you will just say her. The woman had not seen her for a month. Next one, the detectives kept a watch on the thieves. Now, even here we have plural noun. Even here we have plural noun. So let me remind you once again, whenever we have plural noun in the form of people, you will say they. The detectives, you will replace the detectives with they. They captured them. Okay, this is a very simple answer. Next one, my sister and I invited our friends. My sister and I means this is more than one person. So instead of always saying my sister and I, you will just put we. That means hum. My sister and I invited our friends. Now friends is also plural. So you will just put my sister and I, that is we. We chatted with them. So the sentence becomes so simple when we use pronouns. The next one is, my father washes our car every Sunday. Now father means it is a male. So you will use the word he. My father makes the car shine. Now instead of using the word car, each and every time you will use the word it. He makes it shine. The next one is, Anura opened the box. Anura means it is a girl. After some time, Anura closed the box. Anura will become she, closed it. It means box. The next one is the photographer showed us his photographs. Now pay attention to this. Photographer can be a male and it can be a female also. But in this sentence we already have his, so we know that this photographer is a male. Then the photographer put his photographs up in an exhibition. So you will write, then he put them up. Them means his photographs. Okay? The photographer will turn to he. His photographs will turn to them. Then he put them up in an exhibition. Now let us move on to page number 29, question number 2, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct possessive pronoun. Now from here you will understand what is the meaning of possessive pronoun. In the first sentence we have two persons talking. First is Amar and the second is Beena. Now what does Amar say? I am confused. Is it our turn or in here you will have a blank. Now why did we write Diaz? Let us see the full thing. One person Amar, he says, I am confused. Is it our turn? That means क्या हमारी बारी है या उनकी? Now why did we use Diaz? Because Beena said it's not their turn, it's ours. Now let's go back to this. Amar says that he is confused and he asks Beena, हमारी बारी है या उनकी? Then what she replies? उनकी बारी नहीं है, हमारी है. Okay. The next one is, I cannot see mom. Mom means female. But I know the voice is hers. Because mom is female, we will use the word hers. I can recognize mom's voice from a mile. Next one. I do not like my slippers. I like yours. Now you will mostly use opposite in such things. When we are using two sentences, you will use opposite. See over here, theirs, ours. Same way, my, yours. I do not like my slippers. I like yours. Next one. Don't tell anyone the painting is his. I made a complete mess of it. Is, that means this is a boy. Next one. Akriti says, is that your notebook? क्या वह तुम्हारी notebook है? And then Bala says, no, that's not mine. Mine means मेरी. Now let's read this again. Akriti asks, क्या वह तुम्हारी notebook है? And then Bala says, नहीं वो मेरी नहीं है. That's not mine. And the last one is, my parrot is very clever. It knows. Now why did we use it? Because whenever we have animals, we will always use it. It knows which cage is its. Means the parrot knows which cage is its. That means तोते का पिंजरा कौन सा है उसे पता है. Okay. So once again I'm telling you, if you did not understand anything in this lesson, you can go back to that part in the video and watch it again. Thank you, students.